With AMECO, designing your energy-efficient dream home is easier than ever. Our process doesn't require a pushy, on-site sales consultation. This makes the entire procedure much faster and smoother. And here's how it all works. First things first, you fill in a roofing questionnaire. Then, AMECO will use our state-of-the-art technology to get the exact measurements of your roof and provide you with a free proposal. Up next, we'll send our roofing experts to your home to confirm the measurements of your roof, as well as identify any site-specific issues. As a part of this, we will present you with an interactive 3D model of your home, guiding you through the customization process, helping you choose the material and the color of your roof. Lastly, our team of professionals will install your roof quickly and efficiently. And there you have it. Your dream home is ready with a new roof to protect your home for the next 50 years.